Hello, Facebook. Tonight, on this edition of How Hugh Eats Fruit, I'm going to try to turn this banana, because I happen to have this banana and another banana just sitting around, into a dolphin. So I watched some videos on how to do that, so I'm going to try to turn this one into a dolphin. Okay, those are the eyeballs. So it started with trimming it like that. Trimming it down the center. Opening up the fruit. Removing that in a big clump. Okay. And let's see, what did they do? Well, they got kind of fancy with it. And they cut like these little leg things in it. So I'm going to try that. And then the back they got a little fancy with. So I'm going to try to recreate what they did. Okay, they did something like that. They laid that out. Okay, I'm going to put this so I can work on it. Make some eye spots. Right, you know, I need to trim those down a little bit, so I won't be able to use those on the end of cables anymore. But they'll make better eyes, I think. Okay. Okay, they did that. Kind of hungry, so I'm going to eat a little piece of that banana. Okay. They took the banana, cut it into pieces. I'm going to have to get just a little bit creative. And they got fancy with it. Okay, they did something like that. So I'll move to the other side of the camera, get a little bit of a close-up with it, and let you see my version of a banana dolphin. I need a napkin. Okay, so let's go down. There's his little face. There's a banana for eating. And there you are, little dolphin. Okay, that's 2. I got 1 more banana to go. Do that something with it tomorrow night, maybe a banana snake. But anyways, oh yeah, nailed it.